There's a cat at our hostel.
Alrighty, so we thought it's about time we checked out some of the local sites, and it's been pretty chaotic during the day with tourists around the place.
Yeah,
so
St Petersburg gets pretty busy with tourists during the day.
we thought we might do something a little bit different. Seeing as it doesn't get dark here, we thought we would hire some bikes and see all these sites by bike.
Yeah, so it's currently 10:20 in the evening, and we're not under any street lights. This is just how bright it is.
Yeah, it's not dark at all.
And it's not raining tonight, so we're gonna go hire some bikes and see all the sights, and hopefully it's a bit quieter.
Yeah.
And we've actually got some friends coming along with us that we've met in the hostel, so there'll be 4 of us.
Yeah. Their names are Jeng and Grick.
Yeah, they're loads of fun.
Yeah, we're gonna have an awesome time.
We're hiring our bikes here from a hostel. We're hiring them for 12 hours, and it's only costing 450 rubles for 12 hours, which I think is pretty good. We're gonna beeline it all the way up here over to this northern section and try and get this done by 1 AM. We'll tell you why later on.
This is April's first go at a coaster break.
There's no brakes! I don't get how to work it. Oh, okay. I get it.
Got it?
Watch out, Greg! This is just like a kid's bike, but without the security of having a...
How's your bell? Check your bell.
I'll need that, that's for sure. Alright, let's head off.
So we're all riding on the wrong side of the road.
Lenin Square. Let's go.
Let's do it. Where are we, April?
We're on the wrong side of the bridge.
How long have we got?
We got 10 minutes and it's just there.
Alright, so we made it onto the bridge. A bit of time to spare.
So the thing with the bridges in St Petersburg is they all open at just after 1 AM and they don't close until about 5 AM. So if you get stuck on the wrong side of the bridge, you're stuck.
A bit of a wait.
So this is the last bridge we need to cross until we get to the right side for us. And we've got about 5 minutes.
Yeah, so we're going to find a nice spot to watch the bridge open.
Yeah, we've got to find a good spot. All right, let's
Good
go.
spot. Alright, so we met some friends at the hostel and we've been enjoying the last few days hanging out with them.
Me, Greek from Indonesia.
Hi, I'm Jeng. We've been recently on working holiday.
Okay.
He doesn't care about introductions, so we gotta go.
So what's going on here, April?
I don't know, there's like an arch thing and you can see people from other places. I think there's a little camera there. So this is a window that they've set up. It's a virtual window and that links to Qatar and also to Moscow. So it's a live screening so we can see thousands of kilometers away.
So these guys are in Moscow?
Yeah, these guys are in Moscow. No one in Qatar wanted to say hello.
How are you enjoying your night ride, April?
It's a great idea, Tim.
It's good fun, isn't it?
It is. I keep going between feeling ridiculously tired to feeling like a kid and like racing around everywhere. It's such a good way to see the city. It's so pretty at night, the way everything is lit up as well. It looks completely different than daytime.
Dark alleyway.
Oh, it's all closed up.
Ah.
Boring. Doesn't go anywhere. Everything is so pretty at night. It's stunning and it's so cold.
There's no crowds.
Yeah, this is true. This is a great way. I'm loving these bikes as well. I'm getting used to having no handbrakes. It's not too bad.
It's just not getting dark. It's getting lighter.
It's getting lighter.
It's white night like 1 week ago.
Reckless.
Hardly.
Oh yeah.
Alrighty, so that was 4 hours out and about, St Petersburg, seeing the sights.
Yeah, it's 3 a.m. now and the sun is coming up. Not that it really
went down.
That was so good to see St Petersburg like
It
that.
was. It's a really good way to see it at night by bike. Definitely recommend it.
By far the buildings look so much better at night, all lit up.
Yeah.
I definitely recommend doing it. There's a place, we'll put a link down below where we hired the bikes. Really simple, really easy. They have a 24-hour concierge as well, so you can pick up and drop off the bikes any time of the day, which is really handy. So we're just going to return the bikes now and head home. Maybe get a snack.
Yeah, I think a snack.
Something to eat, then a shower and bed.
Yeah.
It's really getting in there.
I think it's got fleas.